was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, Loog Nation! Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And today we're working on Bingo 3 ways. What? Yeah, Pete, I know I'm acting really crazy, but I love this kid's song, and I want to show you, that's right, 3 different keys that we can play this song in. Woo! It's a challenge for everybody, and I want you to stick around because I'm going to do each key separately today, and you can jump to it by using the chapters in the description. If you look at the description of this video and click more, you'll see the chapters, and in those chapters, you'll be able to jump to which key you like to sing it the best. Because some people sing in different keys. Did you know that? Well, now you do. Okay, so here we are. We're going to start Bingo, and we're going to learn in the key of G first, because I think it's the easiest on the Loog. Hey, if you're new to Loog Nation and you want to subscribe to the channel, just hit that subscribe button. It's so fun. We're here every week on Thursday with a new lesson for you, and we've got kids songs, rock songs. Check it out. All right, key of G. We have G. We have C. We have D, and we have E minor. Okay, so this song, we're going to play those 4 chords in different orders. I'm going to use 1 strum for this song. The better you get at the song, the more you can strum. But today, we're just going to use quarter notes, or really just 1 strum. It's a fun song to play, just 1 strum, sing 1 strum. And you're going to see the whole chart progression here, and I'm going to help you out right now. Ready? Here we go. So we have there G, was a farmer who, and then had a, back to dog is G. Dog in Bingo. D was its, and then back to G. Name-o. So that would sound like this. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was its name-o. Now here comes the tricky part. We're gonna go B-I-C-N-G-O. So 1 chord gets 2 strums for the B and the I, and then another chord gets 3 strums for the N-G-O. And of course, you know this song, we stop saying B and I, so we still have to feel that beat, like I-N-G-O. Right? Okay, so we have G, G, C, C, C. Then we have D, D, G, G, G. Here's the hard part. We're going to go E minor, C, C, C. And then we go D, D, G, G. Okay, let's do that B-I-N-G-O one more time. We're going to go B-I-N-G-O. Good. B-I-N-G-O. Great, here's the change. E minor, C, D, G. All right, so let's practice this nice and slow. Ready? Here we go. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was its name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O. Good. B-I-N-G-O. Here it comes. B-I-N-G-O. And Bingo was its name. Oh. All right, so that's the key of G. That's Bingo in the key of G. Let's change it up like I did in the opening. Now we're going to go to the key of C. This is such good practice for you at Loog Nation to learn your chords and to hear these progressions, right? If you need help with your chords, you could check out this video here. I'll share a link at the end of this video so you know how to practice your chords in the key of G. All right, here we go. Key of C. We're going to hear the same sounds, but they're in a different key. Here's C. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was its name. Oh, keep following along. Here we go. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, A minor, B-I-F-N-G-O, and Bingo was its name. Oh. Okay, so we have our F, which is a little bit trickier of a chord. Let's zoom in here and see how to do it. F, we're doing first finger on both strings of the first fret, strings 1 and 2, and then I'm using my second finger to reach over to catch the third string, second fret. Sometimes if you want to, you could use your ring finger as well. But the big key for the F is to lay your finger on both the second and first strings, first fret. We're just picking through those. And then all three. Or there's F, and A minor is the C, adding our second finger to the second fret, third string. Okay, let's mark through that again. Follow along with beat. Here we go. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was its name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Good. B-I-N-G-O. Yes, Bingo was its name. Oh. This is the fun part about changing keys or playing in different keys. Notice I'm playing C and G, but I'm playing them in a different order in the key of C than I did in the key of G. And this is where we start to train our ears to hear different intervals. This is kind of like advanced music stuff for grown-ups at home playing along with your children. We're getting a chance to hear the same song, but in different starting points on the music scale, right? The chromatic scale. So we've got a different starting tone. Notice I'm kind of going like, in the key of G, I'm going like, there was. But now that I'm in C, I have to go, there was. Our starting note is different. So we're going to get different sounds, but we're playing a lot of the same chords. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's the key of C. Now let's play in the key of D. So we're going to go up a whole step. So we're going to play D. There was a farmer who, G, had a D dog, and Bingo, A, was its D name. O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, oh, B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was its name. Oh, wow, we got a new chord, our B minor chord. There's our B minor, and we're climbing up the stairs. It's kind of like how I like to put it, right? Notice that my fingers are on the 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret on strings 3, 2, 1 with fingers 3, 2, and 1. That's cool. B minor. And we also have our A, which is 2 fingers on the 2nd fret of the 3rd and 2nd string. Okay, this is the key of D. Notice it all kind of sounds the same, but my starting note has changed. From our C, it was, we're going up a whole step, was, and that changes the rules of the song, and this way we get to play different chords. Now we're playing a D. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was its name. Oh, B real goofed. That's okay. I played an A instead of a G, but I switched real quick. Let's do that one more time in the key of D. Here we go. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was its name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O. A. B-I-N-G-O. B minor. B-I-N-G-O. And Bingo was its name. Oh. All right. We've done 3 keys today. Bingo. Have fun with that. This is a nice challenge for all of you grown-ups out there and advanced players. I want you to pick which key you like the most, which might be the easiest. Hey, why don't you let me know below which key you like the most? Leave it in the comments below. I'd love to know what's going on with you, the players and the learners here at Loog Nation. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks so much for your time. Thanks, Beat, for putting all the charts up there and all the different keys. We'll see you soon, okay? Bye!